Oh, hello. I'm here to clean out your plumbing.
Oh yeah, no. What's in your shoe? Yeah, no. Oh my God! He's a rat in the pipe. Oh yeah. I'll see if I can pull it out. Oh no. Oh, it's tail juice.
Speaking of rats and spiders or bats and plumbing, let's check it out what I got. Bring it on. Cut it towards you. Come on. Why don't you cut? There we go. Good. I got Iron Spider. Yeah. Underground Toys exclusive. Sweet. I thought that was a Walgreens exclusive. Maybe it's rare with the Maybe it's rare with the underground. I'm not sure. So, no smell. No smell. Oh wait. It's there. Faint. You get in the last couple. Right. Forgot it's a bubblehead. Ooh yeah. Oh, check him out. Oh, he's so cool. He's like, get back. I shake you back. Weird. I thought he had 4 of the spider legs, but he only has 3 of the spider legs. I thought he had 4. I could be. He probably always had 3. But that is so cool. Awesome. It's weird because I don't have an actual Spider-Man. This is the closest Spider-Man pop I have. Besides Spider-Gwen and Carnage. But that's it. Spider-Man himself. I have other, and I got Green Goblin. So, yeah. I'm gonna be trying something where Wednesdays and Fridays gonna be unboxing Funkos and what other cool figurines. So subscribe, check it out. We'll see. You know what to do.